This is another time again for our English subject, grade 3. You're welcome. And our last time, we discussed how to express similarity by using the word to. I told you that the word to is used to show similarity or to show things which are the same, to show things which are alike, or to show things which resemble each other. And I gave you also an assignment of 5 questions to do. So, as I'm going to do correction, please take your book as usual, get a pencil, and you mark for yourself. If you got wrong, you are going to do correction at the end of this correction. The heading of our questions was saying, use the word to answer the questions below. And here, in first question, there was a picture of a ruler here. So, because you are told to use the word to answer the questions below, and in first question here, this one here is the ruler, and the other picture here is the picture of a ruler, then you are going to say, this is a ruler too. Then, question number 2. Question number 2 was like this. And this is a stick, and we had another stick here, and we were asked the question, what is this? And because we are told to use the word to answer the questions below, and we know that the word to is used to show similarity of the things, and this one here is the stick, and this one here is the stick. So we are going to answer it like this. We are going to say, this is a stick too. Like this. This is a stick too. Then question number 3. Question number 3 was saying, Amina goes to school on Monday up to Friday. Then the question was like this. When do you go to school? And in answering this question, I know that you are pupils, and every pupil goes to school on Monday up to Friday. So, because Amina goes to school on Monday up to Friday, and you are told to use the word to answer the questions below, then this question you have to answer like this. When do you go to school? You say, I go to school on Monday up to Friday too. Like this. I go to school on Monday up to Friday too. Because you are also going to school on Monday up to Friday. So question number 4 was like this. here was the statement, I love my teachers. Then you were asked, do you love your teachers? So here you are supposed to answer this question using the word to, because to shows similarity. This one here, I love my teacher. If you also love your teacher, you are going to say, I love my teachers too. And I'm very sure that you love also your teachers. So you answer like this, I love my teachers too. The last question here, which is the fifth, was talking about John. John is in grade 3. John is in grade 3 and you asked, which class are you in? John is in grade 3. I'm very sure that you are also in grade 3. So, in answering this question, you are going to say, I am in grade 3 too, because John is in grade 3 and you are also in grade 3. Using the word to, you are going to say, I am in grade 3 too. This was what was supposed to be done. So, if you got wrong in answering this question, please do correction. Today we are going to see how to express location. The other time we saw how to express similarity by using the word to. But today we are going to see how to express location by using different prepositions. So, expressing location. When we talk about prepositions, they are kind of words that shows where the thing is. We have different kinds of preposition like on, under, in, outside, in front of, between, behind it, and so forth. So, this kind of words here, preposition, they show where the thing is. But today specifically, we are going to discuss on 5 prepositions: inside, outside, under, on, and in. So this type of preposition, we are going to discuss them today. When you're talking about outside, that means you are out of something. I'm talking about inside. This is inside. When talking about inside, you mean you are in of something. You are inside something. Inside the house, inside the car, inside the bus. I'm talking about on, that means you put something up on top of something. You put something on top of something. Or under, you put something below a certain thing. And talking about in simply means inside or in a certain thing. Check on this example here. For example, this is a house. This is our house. It's a very simple house. So in this house here, we have a table. But here, we have a tree. So, according to our picture here, if you are to ask, where is a table? our house is here and the table is here. We have a tree here, but we are asked where is a table. And since the table is here, in this house here, we are going to say the table is inside the house, like this. We answer this question like this. A table is inside the house. So the word inside is the preposition that shows location, where a table is. So it is a preposition, it shows where a table is. It is inside the house. And if you were to ask another question, question number 1, this is question number 2. Where is the tree? And we can all see here, the tree is here, out of the house, and we saw the table was here. So you are asked, where is the tree? You will say the tree is outside the house. So the word outside is the preposition which shows location. And the location, I told you, is simply mean the place. So outside shows the location where the tree is. We have seen here that the tree is outside the house. And if you have to ask, is the tree inside the house? You will just simply answer like this. No, the tree is not inside the house. The tree is outside the house. And here, if you have to ask, a table is near the house or the table is outside the house, you will say no, the table is not outside the house, but the table is inside the house because it is in the house and the tree is out. So inside and outside are one of the prepositions used to show location. Here I have a table. Here I have a ball. Here I have a cat. Now the questions come. Question number 1. Where is the ball? We can all see this picture here. This is a picture of a table, and below this table here there is a cat, and on top of this table here we have a ball. But you are asked, where is a ball? And we have to use the preposition to answer this question, to show location of this ball here. So here, because it is on the top of the table, we are going to say the ball is on the table, like this. The ball is on the table. So this on here is one of the prepositions that shows location. It shows where the ball is. It is on the table. But in second question, in this picture here, you can be asked, where is the cat? And here, as you can see here in our picture, the cat is here below the table, and it is not here, up, but it is below. So if it is below, anything below something, we say it is under. So this cat here is under the table. So in answering this question, you're going to say the cat is under the table. So under is also another preposition that shows location, where the cat is. if you are asked also, is the cat on the table? You will say no, the cat is not on the table, the cat is under the table. But here, if someone asks you again, is the ball under the table? You will say no, the ball is not under the table, but the ball is on the table. So on and under are also another preposition that's used to show location. Then we have another thing here. This is a basket. Here there is a fish. And the question is here. That is our question. Here in the basket, we have a fish here, and you are asked, where is the fish? But in answering this kind of question, you are not going to say the fish is inside the basket. No, it doesn't make sense. But you are going to say the fish is in the basket, like this. The fish is in the basket. Same apply if you have a glass of water and there is some water inside the glass and you are asked, is there dash water in the glass? You are not going to say there is water inside the glass. No, you are saying there is some water in the glass. There is some water in the bucket. Just like that. So, this also in, this preposition in is also a preposition used to show location of things. It has used here to show the location of the fish, which is in the basket. Now, I want to give you questions so that you do them and we shall see whether you have understood or not. So our questions are here. Please, you're going to read them properly and you answer them. Question number 1. First, the heading says, use the correct preposition to answer the questions below. And here we have a class in this class here we have a girl. But here, Ali is standing here. Then, our first question is asking, where is the girl? Here, you are going to say the girl is, fill in the correct preposition there, class. Then, the second question is asking, where is Ali? And in answering, you will say, Ali is, you are going to fill in the correct preposition here, class. Question number 3. Question number 3. We have our bucket here. And in this bucket, there is some water. And here, the statement is, there is some water, dash dash, the bucket. So here, try to fill in the correct preposition to fill in the gap. And the first question, we have a chair here. Here we have a pen. Here we have a cup. Then, first question is asking, where is a pen? And we will start by answering like this. A pen is dash dash chair. You have to fill in the correct preposition here. A pen is dash dash the chair, and the pen is here. Fill in the correct preposition. Then the last question, which is the fifth. The fifth question is asking, where is the cup? And you can see properly that the cup is here. So you will start answering by saying, the cup is dash dash the chair. The cup is dash dash the chair. So choose the correct preposition among the one that we discussed to fill in the gaps here. So after answering all these 5 questions, you'll be able to use these 5 prepositions properly in expressing location. Let's end up here for today. Till next time, bye.